Hello engineers, in this video we're going to build a basic LED circuit using an LED, a coin battery, some copper tape, some paper, and some regular tape. So just really quickly, the basics are the long leg of the LED is the positive side, and on the coin battery the flat shiny side, or the side with the plus. If you connect that in such a manner like this, your LED will illuminate, will light up. Quick check, what does LED stand for? So we're going to build a paper circuit like this example here, where when you press on it, it will light up the LED. Similar to this, but showing you one without any graphics on it. So what you're going to want to do is, before you even start building the paper circuit, you're going to obviously design ideas for what your paper circuit's going to look like. Maybe it's a greeting card, maybe it's a lightsaber lighting up. You can refer to the examples in the slides. And you're going to fold your paper. This is just an index card, it can be any paper, so that you get that button action, that pressing down action. Okay. Your next step then is to go ahead and bend your LED legs like so. And the long leg in my example here is on the left side, and then I'm going to place my battery. I can actually put it like this. Yep. There might be a hole behind this LED, or you can move it to the top of the paper so you can actually see it. And in that example, you might have your LED legs outward like this. Okay, so let me actually do it that way so it makes a little bit more sense. So what I'm doing, and so the positive side is touching the long leg, so it's just sitting on there. And what I want to do is, that might be a little bit too long there, that piece of tape. Secure that down, and I'm going to leave some of the battery exposed because I'm going to use the copper tape to then touch that, so it actually is closing a circuit, creating an electronic circuit. I'm going to tape down the LED. I want to tape it to my paper here, table, and just get a nice secure connection there, and you'll see there's tape not covering the battery. Then what we'll do is, with our copper tape, we'll kind of scoop it under like so, and we'll tape that down. Okay, and then we're going to bend our paper, okay, so we can see where this copper is going to bend, and we can bend it in an angle like that, and you see what happens when I press it down. Okay. Then we can, I'm just going to cut this access off using, so that since the copper tape is actually tape, we can remove that tape now very carefully, and I'm going to cut that access off here, and I want to line it up so I know that it's going to actually touch it, and then close this so that the copper tape actually touches, or actually sticks to this paper here. So, boop. So I've created a button, and what then I can do is, there's my button. I can write press here, or something along those lines, and then that can go, this LED, you can place it on whatever graphic you made, whatever flower or greeting card or whatever design you came up with. Then your LED can then be incorporated into it, just like this little robot has a blue beating heart, for example. Okay, so again, there's your circuit. It should be very straightforward and basic like this. Quick reminders, the long leg of the LED is the positive side. It should be touching the positive side of the battery. The short leg is the negative side, and that side can be connected to the copper tape like so. And your circuit should have some kind of button mechanism like this. So when you press it, it should light up. Okay, if you have any questions or get stuck, let me know.